can you just start the fucking intro?
Hello everybody, so today we're going to teach you how to bleach your hair at home during quarantine using the Garnier Olia permanent bleach without ammonia.
Well, hello there.
General Kenobi.
So, to start our bleaching process, we will start by brushing our hair out, making sure there are no knots and everything is smooth. We will then switch our brush out for a wide tooth comb, making sure that all the knots are gone and that our hair is detangled for a smooth application. You will then mix 3 components into a bowl. Usually we use an applicator, which is given in the box, but we will be using the bowl and a brush applicator instead. So mix in the bleaching powder, bleaching cream, and developing cream given to you in each box. We will be using 3 boxes because of my long hair. So now you will mix with the brush until smooth to assure a smooth application. Put a towel around your shoulders, wear old clothes to make sure that the clothes you're wearing will not be bleached in case bleach does go on them. Brush your hair one last time to really make sure that everything is detangled and smooth. And with that same brush, you will be parting your hair in the middle. Now, usually you start by applying 3 centimeters away from your roots to make sure that the chemicals don't hurt your skin. But today we will be starting at our roots and applying very quickly so there is no skin damage. If ever there is bleach on your face, wipe it off with your finger as soon as possible. So you want to keep parting on one side. We are starting with the right side, going all the way down till the end of my right side of the head. And we will keep on applying on the roots. If there is some leftover from your part, you can put it on the ends. Now, when you're done applying to all of the roots of your right side, apply one more time to make sure that your roots are well saturated and to make the whole thing just very smooth and even. So now that you are done with the right side, you will part in the middle again to separate the right side from the left. And you will start applying to the roots on the left side of your head. Now, as you can see, my mother has started putting a bit of coloring all the way to the end. You can do that as well to make sure that the color is even. And you want to make sure that when you're applying, you apply on all the dark spots. You don't want any dark spots. If it's dark, it means that it is dry and does not have any mixture on it. And you want to make sure again that all your roots are saturated equally so that the color comes out evenly. So now my mother is taking out the dark spots on my roots, and will start working her way down to the ends of my hair. So as you're applying mixture to the lengths of your hair, you want to make sure that every strand is saturated equally. My mother is just massaging the mixture into my hair, making sure that everything is very, excuse the expression, wet. So you're going to massage your lengths in, make sure that everything is even. If there are any dark spots left on your scalp, take care of that as well. And by now, everything has some bleach on it, and you just want to put as much as possible to make sure that it is all saturated. So there we go, my mother massaging my hair again. And you are gonna leave your bleach in for 15 to 25 minutes. And if you have really dark hair, they say that the maximum for this is 45 minutes. If you have any leftover dark spots, just smudge some bleach with your finger so that it goes away. So now, after the 25 minutes, I will be rinsing out the color, making sure that my hair is pulled up so that the water reaches my scalp. And I will rinse until there is no color coming out of my hair. Next up, I will be using the conditioner that comes in the package. I will be using 2 of them and massaging that all over my hair, scalp and lengths and ends. And we will be leaving that for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, rinse it all out until, again, there is no color and no conditioner left. And this conditioner also works kind of as a toner. So this is when my hair is damp, a little dry, and this is the end result. So make sure you let it air dry to damage as least as possible your hair, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial.
So that was a video, everybody. Hope you enjoyed, and please be safe when you bleach your hair. Bye!